And if I've done everything right, this shouldn't be right. Finish that passing test. Now, just to show that we can come over the Gradle on our side. What happened. Okay, there we go. Thick cut. And now we can open up our code coverage report. And we've got some coverage and some non-coverage. Our user API is fully covered. Exception happens fully covered. Our user is not fully covered. Got some missing instructions that we're interested in. Now, if you remember, it usually looks like that. So what is the thing playing? This is magic. This is Lombok. So we wrote kind of a constructor. We wrote with role. Lombok wrote everything else. That's what this data annotation is. So by having Lombok on the class path, right there, using that annotation, it gave me a properly implemented, mind you, equals hash code, a meaningful two-string, so you can spit out a user and see his property. It gave me all the getters and setters for my field, which is, by the way, required for JAX-B. JAX-B would not have worked at all if I didn't have getters and setters for them, at least not without some more annotation and customization. And it just gives me all that for free. Now, you did see one side effect in that occasionally IntelliJ gets a little quirky here. I think something might have gotten off of my plugin config, because the other piece of this puzzle is Lombok has both an Eclipse and IntelliJ plugin, which allow them to code complete and understand all the getters and setters and everything that's generating for them. I will give you one warning about Lombok, which I've discovered. It does not seem to play nicely with Covertura. In part because I think of what I said earlier, that Covertura is kind of old, not maintained anymore, written for kind of older bytecode, and Lombok is trying to do some things, and they just kind of clash, and they're not too happy. So if you are interested in Lombok, which I don't know how you wouldn't be, unless you just really, really like Java and all the craziness that it makes you do sometimes, test it out. And throw it in the class path, make sure that, because we were actually getting Java C errors, where it was running and compile, and this little message popped up and said, you found a bug in Java C, please consider reporting it to the bug database and all this good stuff. So, crazy stuff. But, let's see where we are.
As it builds back to the user method.
Yes.
I never saw it.
So,
you know, can you display the equal path?
Can you display it? With bytecode analysis, the question is, can you display the generated methods? Where it generates them during compile time. So if you were to take the output bytecode and run it back through a decompiler, you'd be able to see it. But other than that, no. You can also fine-tune it. Question that comes up a lot. This is just like, the data is just like the highest level annotation. You can individually annotate it with, do a getter for this field, a setter for this field. You can customize the two-string to say include or exclude these fields, and so on and so forth. It's a really cool project. It's definitely worth looking at. Their website's very simple, easy to navigate through, and just takes a few minutes to understand. So it's at least worth looking at to see what's out there. With that, I am at a stopping point. I can go on, for those who are interested, if you guys need to leave, whatever, if somebody's interested, I can go on and I can take this, and I can use Gradle to make it a runnable standalone application, distribute it with all of its dependencies, and push it out to an open cloud provider and show it to you running in the wild in maybe another 10, 15 minutes. So, if you want to take it, if you want to stick around, I can show you that. If not, I'm good. That's everything I've got to show you.
But we wrap with the drawing. What would have to go can go.
Yep.
And anybody that stays can do that. Is that good, everybody? Yep. Yes. All right. Good. Thanks for that so far. Luke, did you want to do the drawing about stuff? We have 2 prizes tonight. We have the last one. We have a Bencott Groovy book. We have a bit of a Groovy presentation. And Apex is donating a prize as well. We'll have a junk. Sure. And our rules are your name is drawn, you get to choose the prize you want. Sure. All right. Would you do the honors, please?
Devin Gilman?
Booker and Booker? Weird, this one, Jeff. Sounds good.
I never do this at my job because the one time I did it, I had 3 prizes, and I drew 3 names from my team. 3 guys from my team that came out and said, I pulled their names out. That is...
Go. Would you like a book? All right. Thank you. Congratulations. Okay. So we're going to do a little more. We're going to stay.
Yeah, if you guys want to.
For coming and sponsoring. Apex really appreciates the sponsoring and flying and then for the presentation. Thank you very much. All right. So, continuing further. Thanks for the interruption.
You guys stick around? Okay, let's do this. So, we want to get this thing running for real. For that, we will need a main class. Main class. Go to main method. And we're going to use Gradle again, same as we did in the test, because it's easy to, easy to use, easy to fire up a container for it. And this is actually not part of Gradle. This is a convenient factory method provided by Jersey. The Jersey Grizzly integration uses it. You say create HTTP server, and we can say you want it to run a local host. You give it an IP/host and a port to bind to. And then we need to give it a resource configuration. Here's all the parameters. We're interested in the top couple. URI to bind to, and the resource config. This is a JAX-RS resource config that tells it how and where to load all of its JAX-RS things from. We will do a package resource config, which will let us load it exactly the way we did in the test by just giving package name. That's over here. So I get the server, say server.start, and this creates a daemon thread, so we need to wait for it to finish. Wait for a while. Now, this would get us running locally. We just want to actually take this out and do something. We're going to extract a couple of variables here. You'll see why momentarily. We want to be able to pass in the host and the port to bind to as command line arguments. Okay, very good. There's the main class. That'll get us up and running with the Grizzly server pretty quickly. Now we have a main class. We can tell Gradle that in addition to being a Groovy project and an IBM project, it is in fact an application, standalone application, whose main class name found.foo.com. With that change, you should be able to come back over to terminal here you guys see that one? I should probably do that. Okay. And do a Gradle just there. What that's going to do is obviously compile and build everything. And it's going to build our jar. It's going to generate startup scripts for both Linux and Windows, but Bash and Windows, so theoretically it should work on Mac as well. But it generates startup scripts and package our jar, startup script, and all of our dependencies into a zip, which lives somewhere around we got about 11 meg zip for our project there.